Jaivalala, chissa, Jaivalala, chissa, Jaivalala. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Yo, this is how we do it. Yeah, we're getting to it, yo. Mahlabe Zulu, siyalamukela lonke emsakazweni we-speakndebele.com. Ilanga namhla ngumvulo mhlaka 16 kaNkwenkwezi.
That is definitely right. We welcome all of you to the news broadcast at speakndebele.com. Today's date is Monday, the 16th of May.
Yebo, namhla olamukela emoyeni ngenjabulo nguNtando, lo mngani wami
Dumile, that's right, Ndando. Thanks. My name is Dumile, and I too am super excited to welcome all of you to our first news broadcast right here at speakndebele.com.
Yebo Dumile, ngiyabonga. Liqiniso lelo, lo ngumsakazo wethu wokuqala. Kodwa sizabe silethulela izindaba ezimnandi viki ngeviki lingakhuthelwa.
That's right, Ndando said it all. Every week we'll be bringing you news directly from speakndebele.com. Don't you dare miss out.
Ngiyabonga Dumile. Njengoba selizwile mina uNtando ngiyabe ngilethulela indaba zethu ngesiNdebele. Yebo, ulimi lwethu esiluthandayo njalo esiziqhenya ngalo.
That's right. What you said, Ndando, is so true. Here at speakndebele.com, we are super loud and super proud of our Ndebele language. Yes, we love it. Just like she said, I will be speaking in English and Ndando will be speaking in Ndebele.
Ngiyabonga Dumile. Asingeneni ezindabeni zethu zanamhla. Kahle kahle kodwa okay. I was about to get into some good news. Nganti Dumile, ukhalelani pho? Why are you crying?
Oh, man, this is so embarrassing. I'm sorry, Ndando, but I'm just so sad. You see, I can speak English really well, like really well, but my Ndebele sucks big time. I envy you. I want to speak Ndebele too. I just don't know how to do it.
Oh, bantu, thula mngani, thula uzwe. Kahle kahle ngilemndaba ezimnandi kakhulu. Izifundo zethu zika Speak Ndebele 101 seziphelile. Wonke umuntu noma ngubani esengathenga izifundo lezi.
What? Get out of here. You're saying Speak Ndebele 101 is out today on the website at speakndebele.com?
So you mean to tell me now I can go and learn Ndebele by buying the course online? Yebo Dumile, uSpeak Ndebele 101 uphuma namuhla. KuSpeak Ndebele 101 uzafunda umbhalo mabala, amanombolo, ukubuza imibuzo lokuphendula, ukwazisana, ukuthi yebo lo cha lokunenginengi.
Wow, Ndando, that is like the answer to my prayers. I can't wait to buy Speak Ndebele 101 and learn the Ndebele alphabet, numbers, colors, how to say yes and no, meeting and greeting, asking and answering questions, and so much more.
Yebo Dumile, njalo abafuna ukuzama mahala, yebo yes, mahala, kabahambe khatheso ku www.speakndebele.com. Njalo sitholakala ku YouTube la ku Facebook.
Wow, Ndando, like that is so cool. If I want to try it for free,
I just go to www.speakndebele.com. I'm going right now. And we are found on Facebook and YouTube too. Yebo ngiyabonga Dumile. Yizo-ke indaba zethu zanamhla. Umeleleni mngani. Phangisa uye ku-speakndebele.com uyethenga izifundo zakho namuhla. Hayibo, Dumile, mana. Come on, Ndando. What is it? What do you want me to wait for? I've got to go and buy my lessons now. Dumile, usukhohliwe. Kumele sivalelise abanye.
Oopsie. Ndando is right. We've got to say goodbye for now. So, from me, Dumile, we'll see you next week. The same time, the same place, speakndebele.com news.
Yebo Dumile, kumele sivalelise. Well, sizalibona ngeviki ezayo lapha ku-speakndebele.com. Yimi uNtando, salani kuhle. Bye-bye. Nkosliwe. I forgot to say something. Shh. Woza lapha. Yeah, you. Come here. I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm going to be a little bit naughty. Yebo. Ngizaganga kancane. For those of you who want to buy Speak Ndebele 101 today, use the coupon code GANGILE and you'll get a super 10% discount. That's right. Gangile means a little bit naughty. Lingangicebeli kuDumile. Yeah, don't tell Dumile. It's our secret. Okay, bye.